All right, guys, we're about to get a little dirty. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Oh, yeah.
Are you going in or can we Okay, great. I don't know. We can do it here.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam and we are in a very special vehicle, the Jeep Rubicon 392. 392 means it's extra special, right? And we are not just going to drive anywhere. We're going to go off-road. We are here in Wisconsin, the Midwest Automotive Media Association Spring Rally for 2024. And I am about to go on an off-road course that they have set up, a trail they have blazed back here that looks pretty awesome, and I'm super stoked to be in this. So here we go, guys.
You know about the button, right?
No, tell me about the button.
See the button with next to mute, to the right of mute?
Yeah?
Hit that.
Oh, yes, sir. He told me to hit the button. It makes it sound better. Here we go. Alright guys, we are in 4 low, as I said. And we're gonna do some wheeling, as they say. So let's go. Now listen, it rained a lot last night. In fact, we had tornado sirens happening and we were all taking cover, and luckily we just got a bunch of wind and rain, but let's just say it made things pretty soupy back here. Ah, look at this thing just go. This thing don't care. 392 don't care. This is fun. If you have a Jeep or any kind of vehicle that is made to be very capable off-road, please go off-road in it. It can be a pavement queen for, you know, a little while, but eventually you got to get it out here and let it do its thing. This is what it's made for. I am digging this for sure. But I tell you what, the off-road experience is very unique. And to be honest, nobody does it better than Jeep. I'm just gonna say that don't get me wrong, there's a lot of very capable vehicles out there. But when I say nobody does it better than Jeep, it's the experience. It's the ability to get this thing completely muddy and then just rinse it out. You know? This thing is just made for this. And it feels like it when you drive it. But at the same time, you can go turn around and go drive it on the street and you're gonna be good to go. The modern Jeep is really an amazing machine. And to think about it, this is a machine, the doors come off, you know, it's just, there's not much to it. But then you close it all up, put the top on, doors on, windows up, and you have great modern amenities in here. And it's a vehicle that does this. Oh, it's so awesome. I love it. I'm gonna move my other GoPro because I love it so much. Now you get a little bit more of the view that I get, maybe. This is awesome. Keep an eye on your corners, see, and that's what makes a Jeep so awesome, is their approach angle, their breakover angle. They think about all of it, right? and your visuals, what you're able to see with your eyeballs. So important. Ooh, it's a little slippery out here. You gotta take it slow. It's soupy. They send you sideways. That is some bumpy stuff. Oh man, any other vehicle you try to do this business in, it's no dice. This thing's awesome. Plus this one's extra special, right? You get the 392 under here. That's pretty cool because it's getting harder to get V8s. You didn't hear it from me. But that's what's gonna make this Jeep special, is its capabilities and its power is very unique. And they warned to go through this course slowly because you will slide sideways. And so that is what we are doing. Keep in mind, I do have this in 4 low. Got the sway bars disconnected. And of course, I had to hit the most important button, which is the one that lets all the sound out. Alright, now this is looking pretty darn rocky up here. So if you're not a wheeler, as I am not a professional wheeler, that's for sure, you want to keep your momentum. Don't go too fast when you're crawling, but you want to keep your momentum going so that you don't stop and get stuck. And oh, that's nice. This thing just eats it up. It says, give me more. Ha! Oh, I love it. So good. Alright, here we go. Oh man, look at this thing. Alright, we're gonna get these cameras pointing at the sky a little bit. Hope you're comfortable with that. The Jeep's comfortable with that. The question is, how comfortable am I with that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I love it. They did such a good job with this right here. Oh man, that was some big stuff. It probably doesn't come through visually on camera, but that stuff was big. Alright, here we go. Lots more mud. Man, it has turned out to be a beautiful day for this. All this mud is here, but we've got blue sky now, a nice breeze. Oh, look at all this mud. Yeah. Get some. Haha. Get a little mud in here and get a little mud on me, but that's what it's all about, right? Alright guys, here we go. Oh yeah. Thanks, man. Alright, there's the mud pit we're looking for. Let's do this. Alright guys, we're about to get a little dirty. Yeah, we like that. We like that a lot. Let's do it again. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh man, that's some steep stuff here. The fact that you can get a vehicle like this, that's capable like this, out of the box is just awesome. Alright, here we go. Let's see what's next. Oh my gosh, look at these rocks. This is going to be a wild one. Alright guys, we've got the rear locked, and we're going to do these rocks and get serious here. And I'm going to listen to my spotter and do what he says. Here we go. Man, this is awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
That was a good time. Man, that was seriously choppy stuff. And again, this thing don't care. I love it. Absolutely love it. Here we go. We got ourselves another hill here. And the engine sounds good. All right. I love it. Keeping your momentum, man, that's so key. You do not want to stop. They've got a lot of guys working hard out here on this course to keep this course in ship shape so that you can get the most out of these vehicles, and the Jeep team has done a fantastic job here. Oh, look at all this. This is great. It's not about getting there quick. It's about getting the places that you otherwise couldn't get to. That's what it's about. Here we go, up, down. Yep. Man, it's so impressive, a vehicle stock like this, to do this with this kind of ease. And we're gonna get really muddy here. But that's okay, we like that. Oh yeah. Haha. Man, this is fun. We're at Road America. This is Road America property, and that is a really amazing racetrack with lots of elevation changes, and I've been out there driving other vehicles. I just have been meaning to make it over here to the off-road course, and it is just as stellar as the racetrack itself, I will say that. They do an excellent show here, and you can tell immediately that's why the manufacturers come, and that's why they want to come and bring their vehicles to show off to us in the automotive media. Jeep Rubicon and 392. If you have a Jeep, please go do Jeep things. Guys, I know lots of people who love off-roading do the thing. Seriously, if you are looking to have something that's new and capable out of the box, I think you'd be pretty amazed at what you can get from a manufacturer, the way you can get it now. And this is example number one. The modern Jeep Rubicon is so capable. What do you drive? What do you want to drive? I hope that you pick something fun. I hope that you go test drive things. You would not know what you're missing if you don't go test drive things. Guys, if you've always thought you wanted a Jeep, want to have some fun, bounce around in a Jeep, go try it. Go try it. Jeep's even bringing these experiences to the auto shows. As the auto show in Detroit, they had a great indoor Jeep off-road experience. That was phenomenal. Considering you were indoors, they made that thing awesome. We have a video on that. Check that out. All right, we are now in 4 high. We're gonna finish this thing out. We got a little mud on the tires today. I like that. Thanks so much, guys, for watching this. Guys, this has been Drive It Out. It's about the driving experience. I'm doing it myself. I'm not just along for the ride. You can play with all the stuff, all the settings, disconnect the sway bars and lock the rear or the front end, and it is just a great time. Check out other reviews from here at Road America. We will see you guys in the next review.